everyone, welcome back to BTNX, and today we are talking about will AI replace me? Let's find out here. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives and its impact on the job market is a topic of much debate. While some experts predict that the AI will replace human jobs, others argue that AI will only complement human workers. In this video, we will be exploring about the idea that AI won't replace you but the person using AI will. What is AI? AI refers to the ability of machines to simulate human intelligence and perform tasks that typically require human-like thinking, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. AI is classified into two types, narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform the specific tasks such as voice recognition, image analysis, while a general AI is capable of performing any intellectual task that the human can do. There is no doubt that the AI has the potential to disrupt the human job. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, up to 375 million workers in 14% global workforce may need or switch occupants or acquire new skills by 2030 due to AI. Other automation technology. However, this does not necessarily mean that AI will replace human workers. Instead, AI will complement human workers, allowing them to focus on tasks that require uniquely human skills. Let us see the roles of human in AI era. While machines are becoming more intelligent, they are still limited in their ability to perform tasks that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and social skills. This is where human workers come in. Human workers have unique abilities that machines cannot replace, such as ability to connect with the people on an emotional level, think creatively, and solve complex problems. AI is best seen as a tool that can help human workers perform their jobs more efficiently and effectively. For example, AI can automate a routine task, freeing up the worker to focus on more complex tasks that require creativity and creative thinking. AI can also assist human workers in decision making by providing them the data-driven insights that will help them to make the more informed decisions. AI can also help human workers learn and develop new skills. AI-powered learning platforms can provide personalized training to workers, helping them to acquire new skills and stay relevant in the ever-changing job market. Additionally, AI can be used to match workers with the job opportunities based on their skills and interests, helping them to find fulfilled careers. The future of work in AI era is not about humans versus machines. Instead, it is about humans working alongside machines to achieve better outcomes. The integration of AI into workplace will require a new set of skills from workers. Workers will need to be comfortable working with AI and understand how to use it to enhance their job performances. One of the biggest challenges in AI era will be ensuring that workers are not left behind. AI has the potential to create new job opportunities, but it can also lead to job displacement for workers who lack the skills needing to adapt the changing job market. To address this, governments, businesses, and educational institutes need to work together to provide workers the skills and the training they need to succeed in the AI era. Jumping to the conclusion, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. AI is not a threat to human jobs, but rather a tool that can help human workers perform their job more efficiently and effectively. As AI becomes more relevant in the workspace, workers will also need to develop new skills and adapt to the changing job market. Governments, businesses, and educational institutes need to work together to ensure that the workers are not left behind in the AI era, and the future of work in the AI era is not about humans versus machines, but rather more about humans working with AI. Thank you for watching. Hope this answers your questions.